Tenants in Wales are under huge pressure, with some even having to choose between heating and eating. Our latest Tenant Pulse survey on rent and affordability is about to be published next week. This survey gives the true representation of what tenants are saying about their social housing rents. Affordability has massively dropped from 42% this year to 62% last year and 78% in 2023. That is a huge impact for tenants in Wales. Younger tenants have been hit the hardest, with many tenants not knowing how their rent is calculated or how they're going to afford it this year. We'd like to invite you to a free online briefing next week on Thursday the 11th of September from 1 to 2 p.m. It's open to all people and we'd love to see you there to share what tenants are saying about rent and affordability. This debrief will share what tenants want to see in the future of housing policy, and we'd love to have you involved in the conversation. You can book now on our website and we'd love to see you there. Diolch yn fawr.